Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 7i, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, open Play Store and click on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck, like that, and download this free app from Flare2 developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!